Hello there, Leo. Welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. And I am here with your guidance for love. And this is going to be for November 16th to the 30th. If you like or resonate with this while you're listening, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe before you go. If you're interested in getting personal guidance about what's going on in your love life or your life purpose, career, check out my shop. The site is located at the beginning of this video. If you missed it, go ahead and rewind so that you can get that information. Also, it's down below in the description box. Once you click the title of the video, click more and scroll down and you'll find that. All right, so Leo, let's get started with love. Leo, what's going on with you and this person of interest? This could be someone that you have a crush on, a situationship with, or someone that you're trying to be with. This is for my Leo singles. You could be feeling grateful to have someone around or to have someone in your life, or maybe it's just the things that this person has done for you or the way they make you feel. You may feel well respected by them. You may feel like they respect your mind, your space, and your boundaries. You may be getting offered love or advice about love during this time frame as well. So it could be like this person is presenting you with a love offer, or you could be getting love advice during this time about what's going on with you and this person. So some of you could be really into getting personal readings right now. I have everything in my shop is half off. Everything's 50% off. So if you guys are interested in that, you can get a reading as soon as possible because they're open and the sales are amazing, you guys. I move pretty quickly, especially when you guys send them early in the day. Okay, so keep that in mind too if you're going to be sending. So basically, this is really about someone's feelings for you. Okay, someone has feelings for you, and I feel like their main goal right now is to keep you focused on them or to keep you focused on love. They don't want you to focus on anything else. They don't want you to stress out. This person is probably going to be rushing in with a love offer for you at this time because maybe you've been distant from them. Maybe you've been ignoring them. Maybe you haven't been paying attention to them. Maybe you haven't been giving them enough energy, time, or efforts. And so they're rushing in with this enormous love offer for you because they're like, no, I need your attention. I want to be in your life, so I'm going to do what I need to do now. So this person could be still wanting to be with you. They could also be someone who's acting a little reckless, to be honest, when it comes to the love that they have for you. They may really be walking around like they don't care about what people say. They don't care who's against this. They don't care who doesn't like you. They don't care anymore about any outside opinions about their love for you. This person does not care. They're on their way to you with so much appreciation for this love. They feel like they're going to love you anyway. Or maybe for some of you, they could even come across like you're going to love them. You're going to love them. You know, they could come across like that too, because I feel like for you, Leo, you want stability. That's what your main focus is on right now. You want financial stability, and you're focused on financial stability with your career or your business. You also want a stable love. You want a stable love connection. You want a connection that's not going to move, that's not going to break, that's not going to bend. You want to be with someone that is going to make you happy and that you can stick with. So what you're focused on with this connection and this person is you want to know, are they going to be that stable partner for you? Are they going to come in and stay? You know, you don't want the in and out and the back and forth. For this person could be feeling apologetic at this time. You know, as just like I said before, this person could be feeling sorry for settling for someone lesser than you. So they could be with someone who they feel does not meet their standards. They could be with someone in another relationship right now where they're just like, I don't know what I was thinking. You know, why did I choose something that is not that important to me? Why did I do this? Was I doing this to people please? Was I doing this because of my pride? Why did I do this? So this person wants to be in your life now, hoping for a second chance to have you. They may come in as well with some type of information for you, some type of warning or information for you. Very, very important information that this person may have. And it could be about some person or some other people that are trying to ruin your connection. It can be about this third party. I'm getting strong third party energy where this is someone who's trying to tell you that someone's in the background trying to break you two up, or this person is still a problem and they're still around in some kind of way. But I feel like this is a person who's suffering the consequences of some of their past actions with you, Leo. They're going through something right now because they chose to put a third party person before you, or they're still dealing with the third party situation and they're reaping some karma for choosing the wrong person. So this person right now, I feel, is like wanting to be like a lotus right now. They want to be enlightened. They want to be in their spiritual power. But they've also grown a lot spiritually because of you guys. I feel they have grown a lot because of you, but they just want to flourish. They want to blossom. They want positive things right now. So how you may see them, some of you may see this person as someone who, yes, you may agree that it is time for this person to create a solid spiritual foundation for this connection to be on. Maybe you're just like really focused on this person doing the right things, really focused on you guys having a connection that is built or based around God, that is based around what you two believe in, and realizing that without God, you don't have anything. You don't have anything, and it won't come together, and it won't work out if you don't have God involved. So I feel like you want this person to think about the bigger picture right now. The bigger picture could be your connection coming together and being of service to the rest of the world. You guys could be some type of major couple, or basically a couple that people look up to because you two are together and you're making it through some stuff, some trials and tribulations, but people may admire it because you both have faith in God that it's happening in this way, and you want them to jump on board with the way you see it. You probably want to beat the odds with this connection. I have a sense that you guys want to actually get married. Maybe you're going to be the first person in your immediate family or your family to get married. Maybe you want to be that first generation marriage. You want to have that, or maybe you want to be the first generation person who has a successful career, marriage, and family. So maybe you want to be like the first to do something, and you want this person to see that your vision is bigger. Like you don't just look at it like, oh, this person they're just attractive and has a cute face or whatever. You also want this person to learn from their challenges, and you see them learning from their mistakes that they've made in the past with you. And so now they're learning to relax and trust. They're learning how to trust this love, how to trust this connection, how to trust their feelings and emotions they have for you, how to trust that this can be something good and it's not anything bad. Okay, you see this person aligning with their highest good, and the highest good that they're aligning in is them being with you, or them choosing you. Choosing you over someone else means that they'll be in a spiritual alignment, going with the flow. And when things go with the flow and things seem to work out in this connection, then it also works out in this person's life as well. Like this person has a better life experience because they're on the right path with the right partner who's only going to be there to help them. So for some of you, this could be someone who is visiting spiritual places right now, or seeking spiritual places. They could be traveling to spiritual sanctuaries and temples, or maybe this is just, maybe you see that this is something that they need to do to find their peace and find their inner harmony, because maybe there's just a lot of stuff going on with the third party situation, and this person has too much going on, and they need to get back to the core of who they really are before they step to you. This person sees you kind of similar, in a very, very similar way when it comes to you needing to create that solid foundation and be of service to everyone else. So you both feel like your relationship can move crowds of people, or that your love can influence or inspire a lot of people. You both could be in the spotlight, celebrities, public figures. You guys are both twin souls. For some of you, this could be like a good example of what that's like for others, or like two soulmates who hold high positions in society. So you both are looking at each other like, with this amount of inspiration and influence that we provide to other people, we need to be of service to these people by choosing to be together right now. So that could be how, and it doesn't have to be like community. It could just be your family or your kids who look up to you. It's like people looking up to you guys, kids or whatever, people just looking up to you guys, and you guys realizing that you need to be the example for others. Okay, they feel like you have some higher mission in your life, Leo. They feel like you have a higher calling on your life. And they also see you as someone who has this blazing light that just pours out of your soul. You have so much pure intentions for other people. You are really a good person in this person's eyes, Leo. And they really want you to remember that, to believe that, and to share that, to spread that light all around. And it's also something about the way you communicate that they're having a hard time dealing with too right now during this time. They feel like sometimes when you say things, it may not be the most harmonious response to them. You may not say things the best way. You may not handle things or say certain things with a gentleness. And they kind of want you to, not be as harsh or brash with them. I feel like they kind of want you to carry yourself with more of a wisdom and grace about the way you communicate with them. They may be a person who sees you in your power spiritually, but when it comes to them, you don't communicate the same with them. You don't treat them the same, and they kind of want to be treated the same way. This person feels like you can make magic. You're that powerful to them. You can be strong, and you can know you're standing in their life. If whatever you want to see happen in this connection with them, they feel like you have the abilities to make it happen in this connection with them, and they want you to do it. They want you to do that. They want you to do whatever you need to do to keep you guys focused on each other. Even in the midst of all this adversity and all these challenges, they kind of want you to stick to a tunnel vision, is what I'm getting. So during the last half of November, I feel like they are going to be working on, like really tapping into their intuitive side more and listening more to their intuition about being with you. And they're going to be wanting to open up and communicate with you, or they are going to open up and communicate with you by finally giving you the love offer that you probably have been waiting for. For you guys, I feel you're going to be working a lot on your financial stability. Your root chakra is coming up, so you're going to be focused a lot on trying to make money or trying to get stability with money, and probably going to be working on your communication skills with them, and also increasing your level of self-awareness and confidence. A confidence where I feel like you're going to have a confidence that, okay, this is a stable connection for me, so why don't I start communicating with this person as if it is stable? Like, I don't want to make this person feel like I'm always running away from something when things get hard. So you have that, energy there. And even if this is just like a situationship or your friend, this can still relate, to you guys. Even if you're single, some of these things may hit you because, my guidance, I like to speak to your higher self. And these could be all things that your higher self's telling you, or things that their higher self's wanting to express to you. So, all right, you have the best of both worlds here. And I hope that this has helped you. Thank you. God bless.